Yeah, I'm leaving.
You're late.
Don't just live life, maxify it.
Menteri Rang Ba Kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma habai keren bagi nong patai kubur hadin balawai kajinggelang kebenengkong jangka kunhun menteri. Ulong bak Sorkar jela kelasya mekarai bahkan rak rakabil hagi yang dorbar tawan kejela ban Pynduh no ka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act arhajar arpuwei. Ulong bahaka senem kabelalet ke Sorkar jela keladak ban menjur ke ordinance ban Pynduh no ka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act arhajar arpuwei. Nrai mentah habag dorbar kelas sedang kumta kelasya mekarai ban rak rakabil ban Pynduh no kenekaan. Ulitho ru bagi Sorkar jela kelasya mekarai ban lor sembut menteri Rang Ba Kejela ubak Preston Tensong ubelong unong aikitin ke Sorkar. Antung ru yai Dr. Amperin Lengdo ubak Pol Lengdo ban Marquis and Marak kumkinong aikitin jong Sorkar MDA 2. Hagabedai bagajing baha akam bagi menteri Sorkar menteri Rang Ba ulong bakatup kerteng jogi menteri bat kakam kepala baha eki kan mi hagajan miet jong kasipalai. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bodang penkre ekatup gabapura ban baha akam bagi menteri bat ensapha syaulat kejela na kebenta ban yo ekajing menjur. Uliyaturu bagadorbar mang tengka kan sedang hak arpo terik menta ubenai leber hakaba ansai ekajing menjur ka mang tengka gabapura jong kejela.
And in the cabinet meeting, we have taken up two important agendas. The first is to bring in the Contingency Fund of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2023. If you remember, we had brought in an ordinance for that. So now that the House is in session and we have to bring this in the House, we have brought this now in the form of a bill. Similarly, the second agenda was to pass the repeal of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021. As you are aware, we had passed an ordinance to repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021, and today, as the session is on, we are going to put it in the form of a bill, and the Meghalaya Regulation Gaming Act will be repealed. So these were the two decisions that were taken today in the cabinet. The other things that were discussed was that we will be officially putting up 3 spokespersons of the cabinet, apart from myself and Preston Tensong, who is our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. We have decided that Kong Amperin Lingdo, Mr. Marcus Marak, and Paul Lingdo, these 3 cabinet ministers will be the official spokesperson of the cabinet. So the budget session is going to commence on the 20th of this month, and or rather I should say it will be continuing because it has just been adjourned till the 20th, 20, and the full budget will be passed during this session, and we are waiting for the BAC to meet to finalize the exact dates.